Namo. Namo is wood. Na or chongi paper. Kumong hole. Nelte doing. Sunan use. Songot. This tool name is Songot. Namo na chongi e kumongol nelte sunan songot imnida. This is a gimlet for making a hole in wood or paper. Chonson. Chonson is electric wire. Ina is ore. Cholsa. Cholsa is wire. Charal is cutting. Cernan use. Nipo. This tool name is Nipo. Chonson ina cholsaral. Charalte. Cernan Nipo imnida. They are nippers for cutting electric wires or a wire. Monji. Monji is dust. Saragi is garbage. Suro is cleaning. Thumb is collecting. Saragi phadgi. This tool name is Sare phadgi. Monji na saragiral. Suro thamnan saragi phadgi imnida. This is a dustpan for collecting dust or garbage. Monji is dust. Tollo is eliminating. Monji tol. This tool name is Monji tol imnida. Monji ral toro nenan monji tol imnida. These are dusters for eliminating dust. Namo is wood. Na or Komsok is metal. Kumong hole. Turnun is doing hole. Chongi is electric. Drill. This is chongi drill. Imnida. Namo na Komsoke Kumongal Turnun chongi drill imnida. This is an electric drill for making a hole in wood or metal. Kumsok is metal. Charal. This is cutting. Su isnan is can do. Choldangi. This tool name is Choldangi. Kumsokal charal su isnan Choldangi imnida. They are cutters for cutting metal. Naphan is height. Kot place. Il work. Halte doing work. Mum is body. Anjon safety. Chikyo is follow and obey. Chunan anjon de. This is anjon de. Nuphun got eso il halte mummal anjon hage. Chikyo chunan anjon de imnida. This is safety belt used when you working in high places. Pukrin. This is pukrin. Pukrin iyong is use. Pipe tang is ground. Mud is digging. Isamnida. Pukrin iyong hayo. Piperal tang e mudgo isamnida. He is laying pipes by using an excavator. Konmul is building. Interior is indoor construction. Khongsa is construction. Hago is samnida doing. Interior khongsaral. Hago is samnida. They are doing an interior construction job in a building. Mulgon is objects. Chibda is catching. Sanan use chipke. This is chipke. Imnida. Mulgonal chibalte. Sanan chipke imnida. They are tongs for picking things up. Yuri chang is window. Thak is cleaning. Sayung use, tugo is tool imnida. Yuri jungle takalte sayung hanan tugo imnida. This is tool for wiping windows. Mullal water. Puril spray. Sayung using tugo imnida tool. Mullal purilte sayung hanan tugo imnida. This is a tool for spraying water. Kırt is bowls or dishes. Şıttalte washing. Sayung use. Susemi. This is susemi. Kırsal şısalte sayung hanan. Susemi imnida. They are sponges for washing dishes. Padak is floor. Munchillo. Munchillo is scrubbing. Monji dust. Opsalsu is none. Get rid. Sol imnida. This is sol. Padakal munchillo. Te na monjiral opsalsu is none. Sol imnida. This is brush which you scrub the floor with to get rid of dirt. Tangal is ground. Pa is digging. Irhil te. This is soil. Sayung use. Hanan sub imnida. This is sub. Tangal phago. Hilgal tenan. Te sayung hanan sub imnida. This is a shovel for digging the ground and scooping up soil. Bulth not. Nasa is screw. Dung is etc. Mori head. Chui kho is tightening and pull is losing. Sayung use. Spano, these are spano. Bulth nat. Nasa dunge. Moriral. Chui khona pulte sayung hanan. Spano imnida. They are wrenches for tightening and loosening the head of a bolt, nut and screw. Paint chillal halte doing paint work. Sayung use. Paint pot is brush imnida. Paint chillal halte sayung hanan. Paint pot imnida. They are paint brushes for painting something. Mulgon is things. Unban moving. Sayung use. Sunsure is handcart. This is sunsure. Mulgonal unban halte sayung hanan sunsure imnida. This is handcart for carrying things. Khil is length. Chel is measuring. Chulja. This is chulja. Khiliral. Chilsu is none. Chulja imnida. This is tape measure for measuring the length of something. Nuppan. Nup is height. Goth is place. Ulla khalte is climbing. Sayung hanan using sadari. This is sadari. Nuppan goth a ulla khalte sayung hanan sadari imnida. This is a ladder for reaching high places. Mulgon things. Muge is weight. Chel su is none. Doing weight. Choul imnida. This is chol. Mulgone mugeral. Chel su is none. Choul imnida. They are scales for weighting things. Pull is fire. Kalte stopping. Sayung use. So havagi. This is so havagi. Pullal kalte sayung hanan. So havagi imnida. This is a fire extinguisher for putting out a fire. Mul is water. Ina or gas is gas. Pone is sending. Sayung use. Hose is pipe. Mul ina gasaral. Pone nande sayung hanan hose imnida. This is a hose pipe for passing water or gas. Oath is cloth, ina, and khabang bag, dung is etc. Mandal is making, sayung use, che phungthol. This is sewing machine, che phungthol. Ot ina khabang dungal mandal te sayung hanan che phungthol imnida. This is sewing machine for making clothes or a bag. Angam chi is emergency time. Phirio han is need, yak medicine, gua, and khandan is simple. Vario is treatment. Thugo tools. No is inserting or putting. This is emergency box. Khugap ham. Angam shi phirio han, yak gua khandan han vario. Thugorel no thunan. Khugap ham imnida. This is an emergency box for keeping medicines and simple medical tools for an emergency.